Close your eyes for a moment. Feel the life force flowing through you. But where does it flow? Where does this energy travel? Modern science maps your blood vessels and nerves, but yogic science maps your nadis, the subtle channels of prana. Without understanding nadis, Kriya Yoga remains incomplete, because these channels carry the very life force that transforms you. Today, we begin a journey into the hidden rivers of energy within your body. 1. What are nadis? The word nadi comes from the Sanskrit root meaning flow or channel. Nadis are not physical nerves, but pathways in your pranamaya kosha, your energy body, through which prana, your life force, flows. Yogic text describes 72,000 nadis crisscrossing the human system. Of these, 3 are supreme. 1. Ida Nadi, left channel, lunar, cooling, feminine, controls mental processes. 2. Pingala Nadi, right channel, solar, heating, masculine, controls vital processes. 3. Sushumna Nadi, central channel in the spine, path to spiritual awakening. 2. Ida and Pingala, the duality within. Imagine 2 serpents intertwined around your spine. This is how Ida and Pingala weave their way from Muladhara, root chakra, to Ajna, third eye chakra, crossing each chakra on their journey. Ida, Chandra Nadi, begins at the left side of Muladhara, ends at left nostril. Associated with coolness, the moon, calming, introspective energy. Pingala, Surya Nadi, begins at right side of Muladhara, ends at right nostril. Associated with heat, sun, vitality, active energy. These 2 nadis regulate your sympathetic and parasympathetic systems, your emotional and physical balance. 3. Sushumna, the spiritual highway. Between Ida and Pingala lies Sushumna Nadi, running along your spinal cord. It begins at the root chakra, Muladhara, and ends at the crown chakra, Sahasrara. When Ida and Pingala are balanced through practices like pranayama, prana enters Sushumna and spiritual awakening begins. Without purification of Sushumna, Kundalini remains dormant. 4. The importance of Nadi Shodhana, purifying the nadis. Nadi Shodhana literally means purification of nadis. Why purify them? Over years, negative emotions, unprocessed trauma, poor lifestyle create blockages in nadis. These blockages restrict pranic flow, causing physical and mental diseases and blocking spiritual growth. Purifying nadis leads to clear mind, emotional stability, healthier body, awakening of higher consciousness. 5. Nadi purification practices. First steps. Before advanced Kriya Yoga, begin with simple yet powerful purification techniques. Practice 1. Nadi Shodhana pranayama, alternate nostril breathing. Sit comfortably with spine straight. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra, index and middle fingers folded. Close right nostril with thumb, inhale through left nostril deeply and calmly. Close left nostril with ring finger, exhale through right nostril. Inhale through right nostril, then close right and exhale through left. That is 1 round. Start with 10 rounds daily. Risks and cautions. Safe for most people. Avoid if you have severe cold, blocked nostrils, or feel dizzy. Always practice with gentle breath, not forceful. 6. Ida and Pingala balancing meditation. When mind feels restless or body feels lethargic, imbalance of Ida and Pingala is the cause. Simple balancing technique. 1. Sit quietly, eyes closed. 2. Visualize cool silvery light rising through left channel, Ida, as you inhale. 3. Visualize warm golden light rising through right channel, Pingala, as you exhale. 4. Feel both energies meeting in Ajna chakra, third eye. Practice for 5 to 10 minutes daily to harmonize your dualities. You have learned. What are nadis? Ida, Pingala, Sushumna explained. Importance of purification. Nadi Shodhana and balancing meditation. Now we will go deeper into advanced Sushumna practices. Ajna chakra activation. How Kundalini rises through Nadis. The true dangers and precautions of awakening blocked Nadis. 7. Sushumna activation. The highway to enlightenment. We learnt that Sushumna Nadi runs along the spine from Muladhara, root chakra, to Sahasrara, crown chakra. But it remains dormant until Ida and Pingala are balanced. When prana flows into Sushumna, mind becomes still. Meditation deepens effortlessly. Kundalini begins her ascent. How to activate Sushumna. Practice Spinal Breathing, Kriya Pranayama Basic. 1. Sit in Siddhasana or Padmasana with spine straight. 2. Inhale deeply, visualizing prana as golden light rising along spine from base to crown. 3. Exhale slowly, visualizing light descending back down to the root chakra. 4. Repeat gently for 10 to 20 minutes with full devotion. Risks and precautions. Avoid forcing visualization. Let it be gentle and natural. If you feel dizzy, restless, or heavy-headed, stop and return to normal breathing. Best learned with a teacher for advanced versions. 8. The role of chakras and nadis. Each chakra is like an energy junction where nadis converge. Muladhara chakra, root, connects Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. Svadhisthana chakra governs sexuality, creativity. Manipura chakra, fire center, power and will. Anahata chakra, heart, compassion, love. Vishuddha chakra, throat, expression, purity. Ajna chakra, third eye, intuition. Sahasrara chakra, crown, cosmic consciousness. When nadis are blocked, chakras remain dormant. As nadis purify, chakras awaken sequentially, leading to spiritual realization. 9. Ajna chakra, gateway to higher nadis. Ajna chakra between eyebrows is the command center. When Ida and Pingala meet here, duality dissolves and Sushumna opens upwards. Ajna chakra meditation. 1. Sit in silent posture, spine straight. 2. Close eyes and focus on the space between eyebrows. 3. Visualize a bright indigo light or sacred symbol, Om, Shiva Lingam, lotus. 4. Breathe slowly, watching your thoughts dissolve into this light. Practice daily for 5 to 10 minutes to awaken subtle perceptions. 10. Kundalini rising through Sushumna. Kundalini Shakti lies coiled at the base of spine like a sleeping serpent. When nadis are purified and mind is stable, prana enters Sushumna. Kundalini awakens, ascending through each chakra, culminating in union with Shiva at Sahasrara, crown chakra. Risks of premature awakening. Emotional upheavals. Unstable mental states. Physical discomfort or illnesses. Egos getting inflated with powers. Hence, traditional yogic lineages emphasize years of purification, yama niyama practice, devotion, and surrender before attempting Kundalini practices. 11. Advanced Nadi practices for initiated seekers. Mahamudra purifies nadis, balances energy, prepares for deep meditation. Yoni Mudra withdraws senses, channels prana inward. Kichari Mudra turns prana upwards, opening higher nadis. These practices are powerful and require guidance. They are taught in traditional Kriya Yoga after the foundation is firm. 12. Closing reflections. My dear seeker, your nadis are rivers of divine light flowing within you. When they are polluted with ignorance, anger, fear, greed, life becomes stagnant and painful. When they are purified with love, devotion, breath, meditation, life becomes a divine dance of bliss and peace. Purify your nadis, awaken your Kundalini, and realize the infinite ocean of consciousness within. End contemplation. Sit silently now for 5 minutes. Feel your breath flowing effortlessly. Feel Ida and Pingala harmonizing. Visualize your spine as a radiant pillar of light connecting earth to sky. This is the beginning of your true awakening. If this teaching touched your soul, comment below. I honor the rivers of prana within me. Subscribe to continue your journey into the depths of Kriya Yoga and Kundalini wisdom with the Spiritual Boy.